This quick tutorial covers how to buy shares of Gazprom OAO-ADR and explains the practical steps to find the listing and place an order. Gazprom operates in natural gas production and transport. It trades on LSE PLC under the ticker OGZDL.L. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process in general. After registering, you will usually need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can buy shares. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker OGZDL.L to locate Gazprom OAO-ADR. Check the listing details to ensure you select the LSE PLC listing for the correct asset. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart to see recent movement. Confirm the company name and the OGZDL.L ticker to make sure this is the correct stock. To place an order, choose Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirming. Once executed, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to visit the platform and learn more.